बोर्ड ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट साल अव्वल के नतायज जारी किए गए, जिसमें जनरल और वोकेशनल के 9,28,454 में से 5,10,735 उम्मीदवारों ने कामयाबी हासिल की। मजमूई कामयाबी का 50 से ज़्यादा % रहा।
It gives me great pleasure to be here with you and to announce the results of the candidates who appeared for the first year intermediate public examination March 2014 for general and vocational courses as finalized. I'll give you now what follow some details. Total number of candidates that appeared was 868,744, 8,68,744 in the general category. In the vocational category, the number was 59,710. The grand total of general and vocational together is 9,28,454 candidates in all. Read about this. The total number of candidates that have passed is 4,85,069 in the general category. In the vocational category, the number is 25,666. Grand total pass is 5,10,735. Total pass percentages in the general category 55.84 and in the vocational category it is 42.98. Girls pass percentage is 60.52% in the general category and 50.03 in the vocational category. Boys pass percentage in the general category is 51.37% and in the vocational category it is 38.69%. I am happy to also inform you that the comparative performance of 3 years, that is 2012, 2013 and 2014, shows that the results this year in the general category have been the highest. In 2012, the pass percentage was 53.75%. In 2013, it was 54.60%, and in 2014, it is 55.84%, an increase by 1.24% this year over the previous year. In the vocational category, there is, I'm sorry to inform you, there is a reduction by 3.56% over the previous year. An important announcement that I am going to make is that the marks registers of all colleges will be dispatched to the regional inspection officers concerned within 2 days. The principals of the colleges have to collect them from RIOs immediately and display in their colleges. The principals can collect memoranda of marks from the regional inspection officers on 3rd May 2014 and see that they are given to the candidates at the earliest. The discrepancies, if any, found in the memorandum of marks should be referred to the board through concerned principals before 27th May 2014. Applications received after this date will not be entertained. The last day for payment of examination fee for intermediate advanced supplementary examinations, May-June 2014, is 6th May 2014. There is no provision for payment of examination fee with penalty after the due date. The old students appearing for vocational first year backlog papers are permitted as the last chance to write examinations in IPASE 2014 with old syllabus.